Okay. So Autumn kind of walked over here. I mean, I already walked out here. I mean, she's had kittens before. I mean, I haven't seen her since I was like 8. Yeah. But yeah, that's Autumn. A stray cat, I think. Yeah. Still looks the same. Still female. I think, she might have kittens, because I don't know. She kind of walked over here, like I kind of walked out into the grass and then she kind of walked ahead. Like she was really hesitant at first, but then gross. Are there any kittens with you? Need to show me something? Oh. Okay, perhaps not. Gonna check over here. Find babies. The neighbors, yeah, mowing or something. Oh, she's still over here. Okay, yeah, I think she might actually need to show me something. Okay, then over here. Do you have kittens? Anything over there? Not that I can see. Alright. Yeah, I did not expect to see you, especially not in summer. First met her in the fall. Named her that, both because met her in the fall, she's orange, and she loved the leaves. Okay. Oh, sorry. Almost stepped on your tail, girly. Alright. So, do you have any kittens here, or... Oh, hi. I'm assuming no? I think she's, like, guarding, Oh, okay. Hey, babe, kitten's here. Gotta be careful of my head, don't wanna... I don't know, maybe... I don't know what the frick they would do. I'm gonna go around. Oh, jeez. A lot of animal too. Hi. Are you just guarding me? Do you need to show me something? Or are you just walking? Should we go over here? Jeez. Sorry if I'm sniffling. Allergies. Okay, so I tried to walk away from there. She actually didn't, like... She actually stopped even when I walked further away. So my guess is there is actually something here. I think maybe under? Hold on. Ugh. I get bit by a bug. It's hopefully worth it. Okay. Yeah. Got babies. And kittens. Hi. Oh geez, sorry if my camera angle's weird. I'm bad at this. Hi. Geez, neighbor's doing yard work in the back. Yeah, is it around here? Do you have any babies? Can you show me? Oh, you're adorable. Yeah. Can't tell if she's, her nipples are, you know, swollen or whatnot. Too fuzzy on the belly. Tried to feel for it, but I couldn't tell. Too fuzzy. Yeah. Okay, I think because she's specifically around here, it might be under this. If I get bitten by a lethal spider, cat, blame the cat. No, don't blame her. I'm very nervous. Okay, hold on. Try to move these first. Yeah. Surprisingly low amount of bugs. Guess that's what climate change does. Girly's always just so chill. It's like the chill guy meme. Girly just does not care. She just, yeah, she's really, oh. She tried to pounce on it. Girly, that scared me. Do you have kittens here? She just jumped up there. Okay. Don't know if she left or... Autumn? I don't even know how she recognized me. I guess I still smell the same. Jeez, I'm gonna... Got a twig in my hair, god damn it. Oh! Okay, Autumn just like disappeared, I think. She kind of climbed on top of this. I couldn't see where she went. Don't know if she's just sitting there or... I can't see her there. Oof. Thing's banged up. I think this was built like 9 years ago. Yeah. I don't remember. I'm still there. Autumn. Wait, hold on. See like a little nook right there. I'm gonna have to go back there, aren't I? Technically I don't have to, but I'm gonna. I don't know how secure these are. Scared of the bugs. Yeah, no, I'm recording this. I don't think I can climb while holding my phone. Yeah, I tried to climb. One of the tires isn't stable, and I didn't see her anyway. Like, I kind of got my torso above it. Maybe she'll come by another day. Well, that's all from me.